More than 100 years after naturalist Roland Harper visited the land of the trembling earth, this vast wilderness in the southeast corner of Georgia still weaves its spell. One of the largest swamps in North America, this is the Okefenokee. In the Okefenokee Swamp, things look much as they did more than a century ago. Here and there, scattered relics remind us of the people who tried to conquer this enormous wetland. But for the most part, the Okefenokee is what it always has been: vast and unspoiled, and overwhelming in its wildness. From the air, the swamp unfolds itself for mile after untamed mile. No roads, no houses, no people. Nearly 700 square miles of wilderness. On the surface, the Okefenokee reveals itself as a place of mystery, an unfamiliar world. We are merely visitors here. On a foggy morning, there is a softness to the Okefenokee, a welcome that somehow seems to contradict the very notion of swamp. This is a world governed by water. The Okefenokee, a blackwater swamp, is one of the largest and most significant wetland complexes in the United States. The Okefenokee's waters are clear but dark, stained a deep coffee color from the tannic acids created by decaying vegetation. Two rivers, the Swanee and the St. Mary's, have their beginnings in the Okefenokee. The St. Mary's flows east to the Atlantic Ocean, but the Swanee on its meandering journey of more than 240 miles to the Gulf of Mexico, drains most of the swamp. "85% of the water flowing out of the Okefenokee travels down the Swanee River. Once, entrepreneurs and dreamers tried to conquer the swamp. They would drain it, they thought, harvest its timber, send the trees to markets around the world. Eventually, though, the people left, and the swamp reclaimed its own. In this battle to conquer the wilderness, the Okefenokee was the winner. Since 1937, when the Okefenokee Swamp was declared a National Wildlife Refuge, it has been protected from human progress. Wild and unspoiled, the Okefenokee runs roughly 38 miles from north to south and 28 miles across at its widest point. It is a 438,000-acre basin, and much of it has never been explored. The Okefenokee is an enormous wilderness, unfamiliar and untamed. Okefenokee, an Indian word meaning land of the trembling earth. There is nothing else exactly like it in the world.